Hi guys! I'd like to start this video by sharing my recent favorite quote. If it's perfect the first time, you've waited too long. It's definitely my first time to release a video. Not gonna be perfect, but most definitely, I've waited too long. Matagal ko na po talagang gustong gumawa ng video series na nagpapaliwanag at nagtatanong tungkol sa konsepto ng Filipino resilience. So, samahan niyo po ako na payabungin pa ang usapan tungkol sa katatagan ng mga Filipino. So, come join me with redefining Filipino resilience with Rachel. Kita-kits!